Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this, and the way they're doing it, the intersect tool doesn't work. So I had to use the power clip tool, which I can't stand. But he did it with lines. So I'm going to draw a square and hit P, get the shape tool. I'm just going to bring in that corner. Mine is still set on that. Let's make it a little bit more. And then take another small square and hit P. And then take the 3-point curve line. So I'm going to do it both ways to kind of show what's going on. Now we need to take this line, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it at -90, because all we need is that spot right there. Now from here on out, I'm not going to move that, I'm only going to nudge it. But what he did, it was pretty smart. He took a 2-point line and made it something thicker than a hairline and made it black. And then he moved it over and he made it like 36 points. And then he blended it. And for those that watch, you know I don't like the power clip tool, but it works in this case. Now you need to go to Object, break the blend apart, but then you need to group it, Control G. And this is what happens if you intersect it. Well, that won't work because the blue has to be on top. So let's take the black, go up to Object, Order, back a page. And when we intersect it, it worked that time. It normally turns them into lines. So maybe I did something differently. So this will work, but I don't like that particularly. So let's get back and let's make this a little darker. Let's make this line 55 points. Well, not 350, 55. And let's make this one a little thicker. Let's make it like 12 points. And now let's blend these. They're too close together, but you can use your accelerator and you kind of have to hit apply. Move it back just a hair. I don't like using these. That looks pretty good. Now we've got to break the blend apart. And then we have to group it. Maybe that's what I did wrong a while ago. I didn't group it. Now don't move this, but I don't have a black line. So I'm going to take my blue, I'm going to take the black, go Object, Order, back a page. I want my blue and my black. So I want to take this, I want the blue box on a line. So I'm just going to nudge that in a little bit because I want a black line on both. Now I'm going to go and intersect. And look at that. That's pretty perfect. Let's move this. And because we're nudging, so I'm really glad it worked because I do not like, it worked with the power clip, but it's always a power clip and it really messes me up. Control D, Alternate C, 90 degrees. Well, we got some stepping in there I don't like. But the good thing about the power clip or about this is we don't have to take this. We can adjust this. I don't think I want to go the other direction, but let's try it. See, now I don't have the blue, but let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, see, I'm still going to have those steps. Maybe I'm making the lines too thick. Control D, Alternate C. Now we're already at, so I'm going to have to go to 270 because we're already at 180. Yeah, the steps just don't look good. Maybe I went too thick with the lines. So you know what's so nice about this? We can just start over. I didn't think about them being too thick. See, and I draw in red, so I'm going to make it black. Move that over, and you just want to make it sure it's a little bit bigger. And I'm just not going to make them quite so big. Let's make that 36 points. And let's make this 4 points. And then let's blend these. Not enough, so let's up it about 22. I'm going to call it okay. Break the blend apart. You have to do that. Control G to group it. Do not move this up. But see, we need to have the blue on top. Order, back a page. And then let's try intersecting this. Yeah, see, the steps are better. Hopefully. Control D, alternate C, 90 degrees. That's a little better. I don't know. I'm going to still play around with this. You know what? If you want to keep watching, let's try one more thing. Let's make them closer together. And we just have to start over. Oh, well, yeah, if you back up, it's too many steps. See, in this case, I want to draw in. Let's still make it 2 points. Hit the plus key. Let's just make it 16 points. And now let's blend these a lot more times. That might work. Let's go a few more times. And then I'm going to try to move the accelerator. That might work. Okay, object, break the blend apart, object, group, go to object, order, back a page. And see, that's one of the reasons I like this over power clip, because if I mess up, I still got something to work with. Well, 90 degrees, Doug. That looks a lot better. Okay, whenever you might as well just start over, Control D, alternate C, 90 degrees, Control D, Control D. That looks a lot better. It's still not perfect, but it could use a little bit thicker lines. Let's just see what it looks like. It does look pretty cool. Let's take it, and remember they're lines, so you've got a left click, and then let's put a black box around it. See if it makes any difference. Probably can't get it to show up any better than that. I think it looks good. Maybe start out with a little bit thicker line, but don't go too thick on this end to get the steps. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.